Hi, my name is Teacher Julia. Teacher Julia. Hi, everybody. How are you today? Hello. What is your name? Amy. Can you say my name is Amy? Good job. Hi, Amy. You ready to start class, Amy? Okay, let's play this video. Good job, Amy. Good job. Okay, let's get started. We're going to learn to say, I like bananas. Can you say, I like bananas, Amy? Good job. Good job, Amy. Can you point to where the bananas are? Good job. Yay. Look at all these bananas, Amy. Bananas. Can you say banana? Good job. Banana. Good job, Amy. Yay! Now we're going to talk about big N and little n. So this is big N, little n. Can you say big N? Good job. Now let's say little n. Good job, Amy. Good. Now we're going to practice saying banana. Good job, Amy. Can you say banana one more time? Good job, banana. I like bananas. Don't we love bananas? Yes, we do, Amy. Can you say bananas? Good job, Amy. Bananas. Ooh, a new word. Hand. Can you give me a high five with your hand, Amy? Good job. Can you circle the hand? Hand. Can you say hand, Amy? Hand? Good job, Amy. Banana, Circle bananas. Banana. Banana. Can you say banana, Amy? Good job, Amy. Okay, can you do what I do, Amy? Where is your nose, Amy? Nose? Can you point to your nose, Amy? Good job. What about your ear? Ear? Good job, Amy. And your eye? Eye? Good job. You circled eye, nose, and ear. Great job, Amy. Let's go. I. I. Can you say I? Good job. Ear. Good job, Amy. Yes, Amy, you got it. Nose. Now where can you find the other eye, ear, and nose? Nose. Good job. Good job. Eyes and ears. Good job. Okay, that was my alarm telling me that my time was up for the recording. I'm so sorry, but I tried to do it as fast as I could to get through all the slides. I know it's supposed to be 8 minutes, but I wanted to get through it all. So thank you so much, and I'm very, very excited and hope to hear from you soon, Magic Ears. Thank you, Teacher Julia.